Lose weight without diets? These 10 tricks work. In our daily lives, we are constantly surrounded by an overwhelming number of diet plans and weight loss programs. But what if we told you that losing weight doesn't have to involve dieting at all? Start your day with a filling breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, as it kickstarts your metabolism. Opt for protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or whole-grain toast with avocado. Hydration is key. Often we may mistake thirst for hunger. Quench your thirst with a glass of water before reaching for a snack. This simple trick can curb unnecessary eating and keep your body well hydrated. Portion control is a game changer. Instead of large meals, go for several smaller meals throughout the day. This keeps your metabolism active and helps you avoid overeating. It's time to fall in love with fruits and vegetables. These nutrient powerhouses are low in calories and high in fiber. They keep you full and satisfied without piling on the calories. Spice up your meals with herbs and spices not only add flavor but also boosts your metabolism. So don't shy away from that dash of cinnamon or sprinkle of chili flakes. Quality sleep is non-negotiable. Poor sleep increases your hunger hormone levels, leading to weight gain. Prioritize a good night's sleep to keep your body functioning at its best. Little movements matter too. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Even simple exercises like walking or stretching can make a significant difference over time. Create a supportive environment. Keep healthy snacks within reach and unhealthy temptables out of sight. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Pay attention to your body. Are you really hungry, or are you bored, stressed, or tired? Understanding your body's signals can help you prevent mindless eating. There you have it. Implementing these 10 tips can put you on the path to sustainable weight loss. No strict diets, no guilt. Just a healthier, happier you. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our health and fitness websites and links on the main page.